Right now, your brain is changing. New connections are forming. Others are becoming weaker. And most of this is happening without you even noticing. Here's the surprising part. Your brain changes based on what you repeat. Every habit, every thought, every action, they all teach your brain. What's important? Unfortunately, most people spend years repeating habits that quietly train their brains for distraction, stress, and mental exhaustion. They don't even realize it's happening. And once you understand what's shaping your brain every single day, you'll never look at your daily routine the same way again. Most people think changing the brain takes something extraordinary, a meditation retreat, a brain training app, or endless hours of self-improvement. But neuroscience tells a different story. Your brain is constantly changing. Scientists call this neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to reorganize itself by creating, strengthening, or weakening neural connections. It doesn't wait for permission. Every conversation you have, every book you read, every hour you spend scrolling, every challenge you avoid, your brain is learning from all of it. Because your brain isn't simply storing memories. It's a prediction machine. Its job is to recognize patterns and make repeated behaviors automatic, whether those habits help you or hurt you. Habit 1. Embrace healthy challenges. Let's start with something most people avoid. Discomfort. We naturally choose the easier option, the familiar route, the comfortable decision. But every time you avoid healthy challenges, your brain learns that discomfort should be avoided. Eventually, even small challenges can begin to feel overwhelming. Now here's the interesting part. When you voluntarily do difficult things, like exercising, learning a difficult skill, taking a brief cold shower, if it's safe for you, or having an uncomfortable conversation, your brain activates systems involved in attention, learning, and resilience. Over time, your brain becomes better at handling stress instead of fearing it. The goal isn't to make life harder. The goal is to teach your brain that discomfort doesn't always mean danger. Sometimes it means growth. Habit 2. Learn something difficult. Your brain doesn't grow when everything feels easy. It grows when it's challenged. Learn a new language, play a musical instrument, start coding, practice chess, draw, write, or try anything that you're genuinely bad at, because that's exactly where growth happens. Here's something important. Feeling frustrated doesn't mean you're failing. More often, it means your brain is adapting. Spend just 20 focused minutes each day learning something difficult. The struggle isn't the obstacle. It's part of the process. Habit 3. Protect your attention. Now let's talk about attention. Every time you switch between tasks, your brain has to reset. Check your phone. Back to work. Answer a message. Back again. Open another tab. Back again. Each interruption may only take a few seconds, but together, they train your brain to expect constant distraction. Instead, practice single tasking. Choose one important task. Put your phone away. Turn off notifications. Then focus for just 25 minutes. The more often you practice sustained attention, the stronger those neural pathways become. Your attention is one of your greatest assets. Protect it. Habit 4. Prioritize sleep. Here's something many people underestimate. You cannot outwork poor sleep. While you're asleep, your brain is incredibly busy. It strengthens memories, processes new information, and clears away waste products that build up throughout the day. Without enough quality sleep, learning becomes harder, focus becomes weaker, and managing emotions becomes more difficult. One simple habit can make a big difference. Try reducing screen time during the last hour before bed. Give your brain time to slow down naturally, because without good sleep, the other habits become much less effective. Habit 5. Do absolutely nothing now. For the habit most people never expect. Do nothing. No scrolling, no music, no podcast, no notifications. Just sit quietly. When your mind isn't focused on a task, a network in your brain, called the default mode network, becomes more active. Scientists believe this network plays an important role in reflection, connecting ideas, processing memories, and generating creative insights. Have you ever noticed your best ideas appear in the shower, during a walk, or while staring out of a window? That's not a coincidence. Your brain often does some of its best thinking when it isn't constantly consuming information. Give yourself 10 minutes every day with no digital distractions. It may feel like you're doing nothing, but your brain is still hard at work. So, what actually rewires your brain? Not one dramatic breakthrough, not a miracle supplement, not a motivational speech. It's the small actions you repeat every single day, because your brain is always adapting. The only question is, are you shaping it intentionally, or are your habits shaping it for you? If you found this video helpful, leave a comment and tell me which habit you're going to start with. And if you enjoy Science Explained in a simple and practical way, subscribe for more videos like this, because once you understand how your brain works, you stop working against it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.